A blast from the past. What is compatibility mode? Imagine stepping into a time machine and being transported back to the early days of the internet. That's the essence of compatibility mode. Ever try to load a website and it looks like something out of the Stone Age? You know, those moments when a web page refuses to cooperate, and you're left staring at a jumbled mess of text and images. Like your grandpa's first computer kind of old? It's as if the website is stuck in a time warp, unable to keep up with the sleek, modern design of today's internet. That's where compatibility mode in Microsoft Edge swoops in to save the day. Picture it as a digital superhero, ready to rescue you from the frustration of incompatible websites. It's like a time machine for your browser, letting you view older websites that might not play nice with Edge's modern tech. This feature ensures that you can still access those nostalgic or essential sites without any hassle. Think of it as a translator between old-school web design and today's sleek internet. It bridges the gap, allowing you to experience the best of both worlds. Compatibility mode smooths out the wrinkles by tricking the website into thinking you're using an older browser version, like Internet Explorer. This clever trickery ensures that the website functions as intended, without any of the usual hiccups. Don't worry, you're not actually Internet Explorer, just borrowing some of its retro charm to make things work. It's like putting on a vintage outfit to fit in at a retro-themed party. This handy feature is your ticket to accessing those stubborn websites without pulling your hair out. No more endless troubleshooting or giving up in frustration. Compatibility mode is here to make your browsing experience smooth and enjoyable, even when dealing with the quirks of older websites. So next time you encounter a website that seems stuck in the past, remember that compatibility mode is your secret weapon. With just a few clicks, you can transform your browsing experience and enjoy the best of both the old and new web. Embrace the power of compatibility mode and navigate the internet with confidence, knowing that no website is too old or outdated for you to access. Happy browsing! Compatibility mode to the rescue. When do you need it? Now, you might be wondering, Linus, when will I ever actually this compatibility mode thing? Well, buckle up because there are more situations than you might think. Compatibility mode is your best friend when websites look like a jumbled mess, buttons in the wrong place, text overlapping images. Yeah, that's compatibility mode calling your name. Features are MIA, can't play that video or take that quiz. Compatibility mode might be the missing link. You're stuck in the past, web-wise at least, dealing with older intranet sites at work or school. They often love compatibility mode. Basically, if a website looks like it was designed when dinosaurs roamed the earth, compatibility mode is your go-to solution. Step 1. Summoning the Edge menu, your portal to compatibility. Alright, let's get our hands dirty and actually this compatibility mode wizardry. First things first, fire up Microsoft Edge and load the troublesome website. You know, the one that's giving you grief. Once you're staring the problem in the face, look for the 3 little dots huddled together in the top right corner of the Edge window. That's the Edge menu, your gateway to a whole bunch of cool features, including our star of the show, compatibility mode. Click on those 3 dots. It's like opening a treasure chest of browser options. Don't worry, we won't make you dig through the whole thing. We're on a mission here. At step 2, diving into settings, where the magic happens. Once you've clicked on the 3 dots, also known as the ellipsis, but who has time for fancy words, a drop-down menu will appear. It's like a secret menu at your favorite restaurant full of hidden gems. Scan your eyes down the list until you spot the word Settings. Click on Settings and get ready to enter the control center of your Edge browser. This is where you customize everything to your liking. Section 5. Step 3. Unleashing the power of compatibility mode. You've made it to the Edge settings. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of options, kind of like chapters in a book. Each one lets you tweak a different aspect of your browsing experience. We're looking for the default browser section. Once you've located default browser, click on it to reveal a treasure trove of options related to, you guessed it, your default browser settings. Section 6. Step 4. Pinpointing the problem child. Choosing your websites. Okay, almost there. This step is crucial for ensuring that your browsing experience is smooth and hassle-free. In the default browser settings, look for the Internet Explorer compatibility section. This section is designed to help you manage websites that may not function properly in modern browsers. This is where things get interesting. You might be wondering why this feature exists and how it can benefit you. You'll see a toggle switch that lets you turn on Internet Explorer mode for specific websites. This is particularly useful for older websites that haven't been updated to work with newer browsers. Click that toggle to the on position. By doing this, you're enabling a special mode that allows these websites to function as if they were being viewed in Internet Explorer. This is like giving a website a VIP pass to use Internet Explorer's rendering engine even though you're still in Edge. It's a seamless way to ensure compatibility without switching browsers. Below the toggle, you'll find an option to add websites to the compatibility list. This list allows you to specify which websites should always be viewed in Internet Explorer mode. Remember that website that was giving you the digital stink eye? The one that just wouldn't load correctly no matter what you tried? Now's the time to add it to the list. This step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to do it. Type in the website address and hit enter. Boom. Just like that, you've added the website to the compatibility list. You've just forced that website to play by the old rules. This means it will now render as if it were being viewed in Internet Explorer, ensuring that all features and functionalities work as intended. Congratulations! You've successfully pinpointed the problem child and ensured that your browsing experience is smooth and trouble-free. Enjoy your seamless web experience. Section 7. Understanding compatibility settings, fine-tuning your experience. Now let's get a little more technical, just for a hot minute. Under the Internet Explorer mode section, you'll notice a couple of other settings. Let Internet Explorer mode open sites in Microsoft Edge. This is usually what you want. It keeps everything running smoothly within Edge. Internet Explorer mode pages. This lets you see which websites are currently using compatibility mode. It's like a roll call for all the retro websites you've encountered. Play around with these settings. You might find that some websites look better in one mode or the other. It's all about finding what works best for you. Section 8. Beyond compatibility mode. Other tricks up Edge's sleeve. Compatibility mode is like the Swiss Army knife of web browsing, but even it has its limits. It's a versatile tool, but sometimes you need more than just versatility, you need precision. Sometimes you might run into a website that's old or obscure that even compatibility mode can't handle it. These websites can be relics of the past, built on outdated technologies that modern browsers struggle to interpret. Don't worry, there are still a few tricks you can try. First, update, update, update. Keeping your software up to date is crucial. Updates often include patches and fixes that can resolve compatibility issues. Make sure your Windows operating system and Edge browser are running the latest versions. This ensures you have the latest security features and performance improvements. It's amazing how many problems a simple update can fix. Second, clear the cache. Your browser's cache stores temporary files, and sometimes those files can cause conflicts. Over time, these files can become corrupted or outdated, leading to issues with website loading and functionality. Clearing your cache is like hitting the refresh button on your browser. It removes those temporary files and forces the browser to fetch the latest versions from the web. This can resolve many common issues and improve your browsing experience. Additionally, consider disabling any browser extensions that might be interfering with the website. Extensions can sometimes cause conflicts, especially if they are outdated or not compatible with the latest browser version. And if all else fails, you might need to contact the website owner and politely, or not so politely, ask them to update their site. Sometimes the issue lies with the website itself, and there's only so much you can do on your end. Explain the issues you're facing and suggest they update their site to be more compatible with modern browsers. This not only helps you but also improves the experience for other users who might be facing similar issues. Remember, the web is constantly evolving, and staying updated is key to a smooth browsing experience. Section 9. The future of browsing. Will compatibility mode always be around? Now you might be wondering, will I be stuck using this compatibility mode forever? The good news is that web standards are constantly evolving. Websites are becoming more modern and compatible with modern browsers. However, there will always be those legacy websites clinging to the old ways. Think of it like vintage cars. They might be old, but some people love them. So, while compatibility mode might not be as essential in the future, it's likely to stick around for a good long while just in case. Section 10. Compatibility Mode. Your trusty sidekick in the web Wild West. The internet is a vast and ever-changing landscape. It's like the Wild West out there with new websites popping up every day, and just like in the Wild West, you need the right tools to survive. Compatibility Mode is one of those essential tools. It's your trusty sidekick, helping you navigate the web's rough terrain and ensuring that you can access every corner of the digital world. Don't be afraid to use it. It's there to make your browsing experience smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. Section 11. Embrace the past, surf the present. Compatibility Mode is your friend. So, there you have it. You're now a Compatibility Mode Pro. You understand what it is, why it's useful, and how to use it like a boss. Remember, the next time you stumble upon a website that looks like a relic from the past, don't panic. Take a deep breath, summon your inner tech wizard, and activate Compatibility Mode. Embrace the power of Compatibility Mode, and keep on surfing the web with confidence.